Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, we have chicken wings, and these are cooked with fish crisp, and it is made in the air fryer. They come very, very crispy and tasty. We do our pickerel with this, our pike, and now we're doing chicken wings. And I'm gonna have this and some Frank's red hot sweet chili sauce. Got some of that here. Let's go in for Beaver Bite. We'll try the drum first. The fish grip is perfect on it. Nice and thin. Not too salty, nice and crispy. I'll try it flat. Just flat out flat. No sauce. Fish crisp is great on fish. You gotta try it on wings. Amazing. 9.7 out of 10.